What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to share files and folders externally in SharePoint from OneDrive. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in onedrive.live.com. After typing, you will be directly welcomed to the home page of OneDrive. So after coming here, you will see all your recent files and folders. And let's say I want to share this one. I will just simply right click here once and then I will click on share. After clicking on share, you can add a name, you can add a group, or you can add an email of a specific person. But if you don't want to send it via email, you can edit and copy a link that will be generated. Just simply click on copy link. Then a new link will be generated and will be copied to your clipboard. And then you can share it wherever you want to share on your groups or to someone individual. And these links also work externally on SharePoint. So this is how you can share your files and folders externally on SharePoint via OneDrive. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.